Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Cita Leserva Pangesti Widakdo with NPM 2241160. Here, I will explain a little material about centralizing single and group data. One of the most important aspects for describing the distribution of data is the central value of the data observation or central tendency. Any arithmetic measurement intended for describes a value that represents the central value or the central value of a data group or set observation is known as a measure of data centrality or central tendency. There are three frequent measures of data centralization used, namely mean, calculate average, arithmetic average, median, Fashion. Another statistical measure is the geometric mean, harmonic mean, age, as well as several important characteristics to understand for sizing, good central tendency, and how to coach or using the correct central tendency value, size of data location, quartiles, decile, percentiles. 1. Mean or arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean or frequent mean, simply called the mean, is a method the most widely used to describe measure of central tendency. The mean is calculated by adding up all data values. The observations are then divided by the number of data, general with the lines for creating a frequency distribution table. The first step in creating a frequency distribution table is to determine the interval class. There are three guidelines that can be followed. A. Based on experience. Based on experience, number of interval class used in compiling frequency distribution table range from 6 to 15 class. B. Determined by reading the graph. C. Determined by the Stargers formula. Stargers formula. K equals 1 plus 3 and 3 log n, where K number of interval class and number of observation data. Mean from frequency distribution data or from combination. Frequency distribution, the calculate average of the data that has been compiled in the form of the frequency distribution table can be determined using the same formula as formula for calculating the average value of data which have been grouped, combined average or wedge average, or wedge mean. Combined average, or also called grand mean, pooled mean, or general average, is the right way to combine the arithmetic average of several samples. Median. The median is the middle value of a given data group, sorts or increase or decrease. If the number of data is odd, median equals middle value. If the number of data is even, median equals the average of the two middle value. In other words, the median lies at the value and or two single data median. To determine the median from single data, first we have to know the location or position of the median. Position the median can be determined using a formula. Following, median equals n plus 1 divided 2, n equals number of observation data. Mode. Mode is the data that appears or occurs most often. To determine the mode, first arrange the data in increasing order or vice versa, then calculate the frequency. The value with the greatest frequency or appears frequently is the mode. The mode is used for both numeric and numeric data types categorical data. The mode is not effective by the value extreme. Several possibilities about a mode. Data cluster. If in a set of the data there are two model, then cluster the data is said to be bimodal. If a set of data contains more than two model, then the data group is said to be multimodal. If there is no model in a set of data, then it is a group. The data is said to have no model, although a data cluster might not have model, but in a continuous data distribution, model can be determined analytically for data group whose distribution is symmetrical. The mean value, median, and model are all the same. For a left skewed distribution or negatively skewed, mean, median, model for distribution skewed to the right positively skewed occurs to the opposite is true, namely mean, median, model. Important characteristic for measure of central tendency good. The measure of the central value or central tendency or average is representative value of a data distribution. So, it must be has the following properties. 1. Must consider all data cluster. 2. Should not be affected by extreme value. 3. Must be stable from sample to sample. 4. Must be capable of being used for more statistical analysis carry on. Empirical relationship between average value quotient, median, and model. There are 3 empirical relationships between the calculated average value, median, and model are determined by symmetry relevant data distribution curve. If the arithmetic mean, median, and model are mutually exclusive, close together, then the curve is close to symmetry. If the model value is smaller than the median and median smaller than the arithmetic mean, then the data distribution will tilt to the right. If the calculated mean value is smaller than the median and the median is smaller than the model, hence the distribution of data will tilt to the left. Conclusion 1. Approach to calculating the calculated average value using a less accurate frequency distribution compared with the arithmetic average calculation method using actual data. This approach should only be used when it is allows to calculate the arithmetic average value from the original data scores. 2. The mean is the best and most central value measure often used in statistical analysis. That's all my explanation. I end it with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video.